Hey, I wanted to get a picture of him with his grandmother.
Oh, go get his grandma then.
Should we go out in the backyard to do it, or?
Sure, come on back.
Come on.
Backyard's good.
What's your name?
Melissa.
Oh, you know I know you. You know who I am?
Yeah, I think so.
I think so.
Yeah, I'm Bradley's grandpa.
Hey, tell him how old you are. How old are you?
There's many.
What's that? Is that 7?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Say 3.
Can you jump on the trampoline? Let's see you jump on the trampoline.
Tell him what your mommy's going to have. What are you going to get in your family pretty soon?
You can get you a new kitty?
A new baby. Any
Hold still so I can get your picture.
She said, that's not what
I wanna
trampolines
focus.
are for.
Now you can jump.
Okay, jump. Now you can jump. Woo! Show
Let's see
him how
you
to
turn
do
a
it.
somersault.
Can you do a seat? Can you do a seat?
See, do a backflip. Do seat drop.
Oh, somersault.
There you go.
Wow,
you weren't
that's
using
good.
You weren't using that.
With you.
Get a profile of Barbara.
Barbara.
Don't mention it, and I will.
Barbara. Barbara.
She's due yesterday.
Come here.
Barbara. Day
yesterday.
before yesterday.
Is-
My little sister. She's really, or Barry's wife. Either way.
He wants to be good, Melissa.
What did you do? Did you hurt your nose?
No.
Come here, Barbara. Come here.
Come on now.
Barbara. Come on.
Hey, ding dong.
Oh.
Come here. Right now, I'm getting mad. She's wearing my mother's shirt, and she feels
Come here.
conspicuous because it fits her.
What?
Come here.
Come here.
Is this your little girl?
Yeah, that's my girl.
Come and have her do something. Come here and have her do something. I'll take a
Get out
picture.
here.
Come on.
Huh?
Obey.
What do you want to do, Liz?
Come here, Barb.
Oh,
Come stand by your little girl.
this is my girl. This is my baby.
You sure it's a girl?
Here's the baby.
Is that the one that got hurt?
Yeah.
Everybody tells her it's going to
Mommy,
be
I got my
boy.
TV back.
Except the doctor.
Yeah.
Oh, doctor says boy.
Melissa.
Everybody.
How old are you? 6? How old is that? 3, oh.
Yeah, Mommy.
Go tell Grandma to come here.
Go get Grandma.
Go tell Grandma I want to take her picture with you.
Bradley.
Well, I don't like that.
We'll have dinner appropriate.
What do you want me to do?
Bradley.
Put him down and let him crawl, Mary.
He's squealing.
What, you really bumped your nose? Let's see, Emmy.
I'm gone.
He's crawling.
He's crawling? You call that crawling?
He's crawling.
He's going to stand up and jump. He says,
No.
heck with the
Okay, get
crawl.
over to the side, Mary, and see if he'll crawl to you.
Okay, come here, sweetie. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on.
I'll get out of the way again.
I got a little chair.
You on the little chair?
Yeah.
What's this
Need
for?
Mama.
Where are you going to go? Get out.
Bye.
We'll check out the springs.
It shocked you.
The neck.
Oh, Bradley. Oh, Bradley. I got goobers in my mouth, yeah.
Come on. You give her a kiss.
If you can't see those guys, we do better. Yes. Yes, yes, they're Grandpa. This is your Grandpa?
Real careful.
Hey, don't
Real
look so
pretty flowers.
pained.
Don't ruin it, man.
Don't look so pained.
Look at Mommy. Mommy's flowers.
Don't look so pained. You
That's mine.
You know it.
How many grandchildren do you have now?
30. Is it 30?
30.
I can't keep
Like
track.
30 and 9/9.
Yeah, I think.
Well,
How many do you have? 15?
20.
20.
Bradley,
Bradley,
give Grandma a big smile.
hey, come on, get your mouth. Come on.
You tell to Grandpa. Come on. Come on to Grandpa.
Come on. He says, I will come.
Oh, Emily.
I will come.
Any longer.
I will come. Hey. Are you pushing me away?
Photographer never gets pictures taken.
What are you doing now, Barry?
I'm a purchasing agent for a glass company here.
For who? Which agency?
Olympus Glass.
Oh.
Yeah. Far help.
I didn't. Grandma. Don't look at me. Don't look at me.
Okay.
Here, let's see these. I want to see these. You're ready. Show her the rerun.
No, get us some more.
Curtis.
See if she'll go to. See if he'll go to Grandma.
He won't.
There goes Grandma.
He won't.
Go to camera
Nope.
He don't know me.
Go to Uncle Kurt.
Huh?
Go to Kurt. Come here. Oh, come here. Go to Kurt. Come here.